On today's episode of Vault and Bolt, we're going to be talking about shoes. Eyes up here. Eye contact, please. And by shoes, I mean tires. I have a few jokes about tires, but don't worry, I'll spare you.
Warning, this video contains super awesome content not suitable for people who don't enjoy super awesomeness. Viewer discretion advised.
Welcome back, guys. Alright, so basically, I'm not doing the Tannus liner install. I'm going to leave this up to my buddy to do it for two reasons. One, I hate messing with tires. 100%. If I don't have to do it, I don't want to. It's not that I can't. It's just a time-consuming pain in the rear. It's not a modification that I really find to be fun. You know, installing the tank was fun. Putting on the headlight, that was fun. You know, installing a seat, that's fun. Alright, putting these saddlebags on, that's fun. Putting on a rear view camera, that was fun. Okay, putting Tannus Armour liner on is not fun. It's a project. So one reason is it's a project. I just simply don't want to do it. So I'm going to have my buddy do it. Reason number two why I don't want to do it, okay, is I'm doing something a little bit differently than everybody else. All right? These two tires down here are 5-inch tires. These are going to go on the rear of these bikes. And just real quick, look at this tread. Like, what is up? So those two 5-inch tires here are going to go on the back of the bikes. These two 4-inch here are going to go are going to be the front tires. Okay? I don't know that it's going to work, right? So instead of me doing it and then it not working and then having to redo it, I'm going to let my buddy figure all that out. I don't know that the Tannus Armour I got here is all the same size. So this is made for I'll show you right now. This is made for 20 by 4 to 20 by 4.8. Alright? I don't know that it's going to fit the 5-inch. It should. It's only 4.8 of a difference, you know. So it should. But I don't know that it will. So it goes from 4-inch, I don't know if you guys can see that, 4-inch to 4.8. So it should work. But if it doesn't, I got another set of 4.5-inch tires here. And we'll just put 4.5-inch on both the front and rear instead of 5-inch on the rear, 4-inch, 4.5 on the front. We'll just do 4.5 and 4.5. So that's another reason why I really don't want to get into it, is because I have a feeling these tires may be swapped a total of 6 times. I said it, 6 times. But we got a lot of cool stuff we're going to do to the bike after we get it back. Alright? So we're going to get these loaded up. We're going to drop these off at my boy's house. And we're going to have him install them. Alright? Stay tuned. What's up, guys? Alright, as you can see, we do not have the bikes inside anymore. I loaded them up in the truck. What does Tannus Armour do? It's puncture protection. It's engineered to minimize rolling resistance or drag. It's made to increase grip when you're running lower tire pressure. It's made for increased comfort, okay? More cushion, more padding. And then they're made that if you do get a flat, you could roll with no air. So that's what Tannus Armour is, baby. Boom. Let's get it. We are taking the X-Class 52 volt, and we are taking the Aerial Rider Grizzly in all of its glory, baby. And we are going to drop it off at a buddy's house. There's the Tannus Armour back there, and yeah, we're rolling out, baby. So if you guys haven't already, just want to thank a lot of you guys who are already watching. Thank you for the support. Been with me since the beginning, and I appreciate that. For those of you that are new to the channel, if you could like, comment, and subscribe, I'd appreciate it. Ooh. Nothing like the smell of fresh rubber, baby. I love it.
Let her rip! Let her rip! Oh! Damn, Bill!
Damn, Daniel!
But yeah, if you guys can go ahead, smash that like button for me. Smash the comment section, man. Let me know what your favorite tire to install on your e-bike is. And yeah, we got 4 inner tubes here. We got 4 Tannus liners, total of 6 tires. We're going to get it, guys, for e-bike science. For e-bike science, can a Aerial Rider 52 volt and can an Aerial Rider Grizzly 52 volt fit a 5-inch tire in the back? I don't know, but we're going to find out, baby, and I'm going to be the first to do it, baby. We almost here. Nice and slow. Just give it to her like an old lady, baby, because she kind of old. Hit 3rd gear, same thing, nice and slow up off the clutch. We downshifting right now. Oh yeah, we in first. Put down on the clutch and we rolling. In all seriousness, guys, we're almost here. We're dropping off this payload right now with the top rims and tires. We're subcontracting our work. Basically, I don't want to do it. We'll subcontract it. We're over here, Palatine. We're gonna see my good buddy Benny. If you guys need a mechanic, and you are unable to work on your stuff due to lack of skill, lack of tools, lack of time, lack of nerve. Some people are just nervous. They don't want to mess their own stuff up. They'd rather have somebody else do it. You could hit up my good friend Benny. Vega. I will leave you his Facebook in the comment section, and he will work on your bike. All right, he will not work on it for free, however. You will have to pay him. You know, he is pretty fair when it comes to things. Everything's mostly a menu price, so he doesn't charge you per hour like some people would. He's got everything set up at basically a menu price. But we're pulling up to his house now, so let's go ahead and reach out to him and unload the bikes.
fall to the side when it's like getting inflated. So it's actually, I think, fatter than five inches at the
so you can't, I get it. So basically, in the rear, you can't
You have
use
to stay-
first, second, or third gear because it's too wide. It's rubbing up against the tire.
No, it's hitting the chain. It'll make the chain derail.
Ah.
So if you stay at, fourth through seventh, it clears it.
All right, guys. Day 2, as promised, we're going to pick up the bikes. We're going to see how they operate. He test drove them. He told me that we lost 7th gear, which isn't a big deal. So, but yeah, we're going to go pick them up. It's currently snowing right now in Chicago, so we'll see how this goes. Let's go. All right, guys. Peace out. We'll see you on the road.
Yeah, you're good to go, bro.
My man, the myth, the legend,
And it's snowing.
Benny, baby. All right, guys, let's get this shit home. Thank you, Benny. You're the man. Let's get this shit home. Let's get it on this fresh fucking snow, this white gold, baby. Big thanks to Benny for busting his ass through the night. He got this done in 1 day, baby. Dropped him off last night. He got the X-Class done last night. And Grizzly, I think he did either last night or today. Man, these feel like two totally different bikes. Man, this is going to be fun. Let's roll, guys. Let's roll. Benny hooked us up, put on the 5-inch in the rear. They worked. The 4.5-inch on the front. There's clearance. Those bikes feel totally different. Way more stability. A lot more cushion with the Tannus liner in there. Feels like two totally different bikes. We're on our way home. We're gonna unload these suckers and we're gonna play with them in the snow a little bit. But traffic's getting a little stupid, so I'm gonna let you guys go. We'll see you on the next go around. Let's roll, man. What's with these brake lights? Hey, don't even cut me off, dog. I'm over here YouTubing it. Don't cut me off. All right, guys. We got them back. I'm just gonna take this thing for a quick ride and see how these new tires work out. Oh yeah. Oh, they grip so nice. Oh, and they stop so good. Cool, they work. Woohoo! Keep you guys updated on the full test.
Maybach music. Can anybody out there hear me? Hear me? 'Cause I just wanna...
Yeah, baby. And the tire tracks say super.